here we are going to make hashwa. We call it hashwa. This is meaning stuffing. Stuffing can use for kibbeh. We will use for so many things. Today we will use hashwa for cabbage. So we need around 2 kilo of ground beef and lamb, no problem, and chopped onion. And later we will use the spices we are going to show you. So first of all, we are going to cook the lamb and the beef. Okay, turn on. Put little oil. Here we are going to cook the beans, lamb and the beef together. Each 2 kilo need around 2 kilo of onion, chopped onion, fine chopped onion. We mix properly and we stir it always, all the time, most of all the time. We will stir it. No one needs to be touch each other. Now here on the side, we are going to boil the cabbage. Okay, so when the water is boiled already, start to boil, we will add the cabbage leaves. The cabbage leaves, why we boil it? To make it soft. We will not give a long time to boil. Only little bit time until the cabbage becomes soft so we can roll it. Here the water is boiled. We bring the cabbage leaves, okay, and then we put the water. Or we can remove only the. You can put also the whole cabbage inside and try to remove the leaves one by one. And when it's soft. So this is how we boil the cabbage leaves, and this is the stuffing. The meat is almost cooked. We are waiting until the water becomes very less, and then we will add the other ingredient, which is the onion and the spices. This is the way of boiling the cabbage, actually just to make it soft, so we can roll it. Then we remove the cabbage already. In this way the cabbage is soft and it's easy to make it like spring roll. So here is the cabbage. Already boiled, and now we are going to cut it properly. All the cabbage leaves we need to cut like a sheet for rolling. This is the way. This is the leaves. Open it properly and we remove the hard part. Like sheet for the same like spring roll sheet. Then as you see, not too much water. I will add some olive oil. Around 300 ml of olive oil and 2 kilo of chopped onion. 2 kilo of chopped onion. We lower the fire. Onion is cooked. We will add around 40 grams of salt. sweet pepper, around 15 grams. Cinnamon powder, around 15 grams. And 7 spices, around 20 grams. And we'll wait until it will be cooked. So here while the hashwa is still cooking, I'm going to cook the pine nuts. This is the pine nuts. Okay, it's 3 whole pine nut. I'm going to put in a strainer around 150 grams for this hashwa. Okay, and in a hot oil to be fried. Before it turns brown, you need to remove the pineapple in this way because it's very fast to be cooked. I don't want to make it more brown. And then I will add it to the minced meat and the onion. I will mix properly. Here the hashwa is ready. Okay, I'm going to try it. Very nice. If you want to add some chicken stock on it a little bit, it will be also more delicious. And this is the way how to make hashwa. This stuffing, actually stuffing for kibbe, for so many things. We will see it later. Here I put the hashwa inside the strainer, okay, and of course there is something under the strainer, so the oil is going to be filtered from the hashwa, from the minced meat and the onion. So this is the hashwa. I'm going to stuff it with the cabbage for now, and later we will see how to stuff it for the kibbe and so many other items. Now, when we are ready, this is the hashwa. Okay, it's contained the minced meat, which is the hashwa will show you a while ago, and some spices. Then we roll it in this way. This is the hashwa now, the one we make it. We add Egyptian rice. We add like 1 kilo of hashwa need 500 grams of Egyptian rice, and need around 10 grams of garlic and 2 grams of mint. Now I'm going to put something for the inside the pot, so I can put the stuffed cabbage, and we will start to cook. We need first of all potato, okay, and some tomato. Of course, we wash it, and onion with the skin, no problem, but we make sure that the skin is clean, so we remove some of the skin to be clean. First of all, we cut the potato slice. Thickness around half centimeters. I mean 5 mm. Then we will add it to the pot. Down. First the potato. Don't put the tomato first, the potato is the first. Don't use this kind of potato, which is dangerous. Only when you see clear yellow color. So we add first the potato, and then we add the I'm going to put lamb. So this is the potato, tomato and onion sliced on the bottom of the pot. Why? So we will not let the cabbage to be burnt. Now I want to put lamb. So this is the lamb chunk that I'm going to use for the. I put little in the grill. Put some salt. Only to take little bit color. Here again I'm going to put the lamb chunk on the grill. Just little bit. Turn it. Just to take little color. Then I will add it to the pot. Here inside the pot, 1 minute. Okay. Also in the bottom, this way. So now we have tomato, onion and potato slice in the bottom, plus the lamb chunk. Or if you want not to put lamb, it's up to you. If you want to put another part of the lamb, it's up to you. So even this we call it lamb chop. You can also put. It will be very nice. You just grill it a little bit with little salt. That's all. Now we are going to add. This is the cabbage, which is we roll it. Okay. So like spring roll, but with the cabbage leaves, and we stuff it with the minced meat and Egyptian rice and garlic and some bunch of mint. So this is the way how we will put the cabbage, okay, in the pot. This needs around 2 hours on the fire to be cooked. But now here is the cabbage already on top of the lamb and all the other items. Now we are going to put something too heavy on top of the cabbage, so the cabbage when it's cooking is not rounding inside the pot. It should be stable, not moving anywhere. So we are going to put some plates, and then we will add the sauce and we will start to cook. So this is the way we'll put the plates on top of each other. Make sure that this item will not go anywhere. Okay? Otherwise, if the pot is small, it can be put one plate and the other plates on top of each other. Just anything too heavy, to press the cabbage and the lamb all together, so they will not move inside the pot while it's boiling. Now this container for around 4 liters of oil, of water. Here is 4 liters of water, warm water, no problem. I will add around 10 grams of salt, not to put too much salt, later we can adjust. And 5 grams of cumin powder, black pepper, 3 or 4 grams of cinnamon powder, sweet pepper, also 2 grams, some black pepper, around 5 gram, and chicken stock powder around 30 gram. We will add some fresh mint and little bit of coriander, fresh coriander. Mix it properly, and then we will add it to the cabbage. So, and then we turn on the fire, and it needs around 2 hours to be cooked. So when it's start to boil, we are going to reduce the heat. Okay guys, this is the cabbage, it's ready. We are going to remove the plates. Be careful, the plates are very hot. Okay, now we're going to can remove one by one, but this is the cabbage, the lamb. This one we're not going to eat the potato and tomato, only the cabbage. Okay.